You've probably heard of AI by now. Maybe your kids keep telling you to try it, but then you sit down and think, but what do I even say to it? That's exactly why the TheEasyGPT exists. It's built specifically for people new to AI who want to use it, but don't want to feel lost doing it. When you log in, you're not staring at a blank screen. You've got 9 category buttons right in front of you, covering pretty much everything life throws at you. Trying to understand what your doctor just told you? There's a starting point for that. Need help figuring out your phone or computer without feeling silly? Covered. Don't know how to start a tough conversation with your adult kids? We have that too. Basically, whatever's on your mind today, there's a place to start. Just click what fits. And you're greeted with a welcome message and a little guidance. And if you still aren't sure what to ask, hit the suggestions button. 10 real, helpful starter prompts, based on where you're at in life. Pick one, and you're off. Every answer that comes back also gives you 2 response options, and a follow-up question you can tap, so the conversation just keeps going. Naturally, no confusion, no learning curve. Just help, whenever you need it. That's the TheEasyGPT. Come see what it can do for you.